Welcome back, everybody. Check it out. 2015 Hyundai Sonata Sport. Car's well equipped, backup cam, premium sound, auxiliary line in, streaming Bluetooth audio, sport wing, dual exhaust, upgraded alloys, hands-free calling. Nice. Way to go. 80-some thousand miles on this 2015. Going to get guaranteed credit approval program on this vehicle. Going to get a 3-month, 4,500 mile driveline warranty on this vehicle. You can get a perfect one-owner Carfax. No issues. Fully serviced and safety inspected. Ready to hit the town. This is the right one. Down payments on these usually start around $995 down for a 2015 Sonata Sport. DasCleveland.com.